for the month of April, I guess. It's the end of March, so they send them a little early, I think. Not totally light, but somewhat light. Oh, I hear pencils. There's some kind of pencil in there. I see they're not putting the pictures on anymore. I wonder if they're doing that to, like, save money. And I hope this doesn't go the way of the art snacks and disappear, because I like these boxes. Ooh! Matte acrylic paint. Interesting. A couple of them. So it was paintbrushes, I heard. Some paper. There you go. Okay, this is going to be a good box. A Karen real brush. Love these. Favorite. Sketchbox. What color is this one? Does it say? Rose pink. We got a nice little angled brush. So this is an angular shader in a 1/4 inch. Not these. I don't like these. The Copic Acrylic, but it is in white, so that can be helpful. I had issues with these because they pretty much dried up. I mean, they didn't dry up, but like the end clogged almost immediately if I wasn't using it like every second of the day. So it's got that kind of tip on it. Let's see, what else do we get? So we got a little, oh cute, a little canvas pad. So is it real? It's real canvas. Oh nice, I love these. Sometimes they have paper that's got a canvas texture, but this is actual canvas, so that's kind of fun. All right, we got that and that, and we got another brush. We got a, what's it, like a four round, and that's by King Art. Original gold. Those are nice. And these, which I've never heard of, matte acrylic paint. So kind of like the So Flat. That's what it is. Pretty color. Smells like paint. So turquoise, so matte acrylic paint, turquoise blue, lime green, which is, if I have to pick a green, that's the green I like. And I wish I had a yellow though. And deep red. And it doesn't look deep red to me. It looks like, I don't know. But anyway, that'll be fun. So this is a picture I guess they painted with it. So I guess I could do that. I could do something with like red and green, like a fruit, an apple or cherry or whatever. Blue. Okay. So now we got to come up with some idea. Oh, I see. Every month their sticker reflects what's in it, so you can kind of see the little bottles or the little jars in the sticker. All right, let me come up with an idea, and then I think I'm gonna speed paint or speed draw, whatever, because I don't know. Seems like easier and less boring. I don't know. I know people sometimes like to watch painting occur, but I don't know. We'll do a little swatch. All right, let's see what this is about. I'm not going to use this angler. I know that. I don't use those. And I have these, so I won't use that. So I'll use one of mine that I already have going. So I guess it's like the So Flat, you know, it's just going to be like a matte finish, which is fine. Like it. And this is the deep red. It's a weird color. It's like a clay, I don't know. It's like a, what color is this? Like a dark dusty rose, or rose madder or something like that. And then the lime green. And this gorgeous acrylic marker. Love these. So those are my colors, and a white. What can we do? Anyway, I always do a cat. There's got to be something else. Oh, it's already coming out. Oh, that's not bad then. Okay. So there's the white. It's nice and opaque. Okay. Let me come up with something, and then I will do a little drawing, a little speed paint, and then I'll be back at the end to talk about it. How about that? Okay, I'll see you in a bit. All right, well, I wish I had a black, because I had the white and the pink. I almost forgot about the pink. Actually, I was gonna fix this because I didn't really like how that looked, so. There were, you know, I love this canvas stuff. I think I should get more of this because I like painting on it. They're all pretty good. I found out the red, I had to use 2 coats for the red because it was a little less opaque than the others for some reason. This works okay, but like I said, when I tried it before, if I didn't use it for a couple days, it kind of clogged, so. So there's a little kitty and like a little bird, which I took from a photo I had saved in my iPad. So this is Jacquard limited edition formula, straight from our color lab. Oh, okay. Yeah, so I liked it. I love these. Again, my favorite thing in the whole world. These were nice. I don't know if I noticed a difference between those and the So Flat. Except for, like I said, that was a little thin. They mixed nicely. I mean, the colors I didn't have a lot of choice with, but I wanted to do a different. I started to do it as purple. I'm like, oh, it's kind of gray. I'm like, oh, it's perfect for a cat. So if I had a black, I could outline. Okay, so now that it's done, maybe I'll outline a little because I do have a black pen I can use. Maybe I'll use this one. This is not acrylic, but. That's kind of cute. I should do the eyes. Maybe I'll do the eyes black too. And then I'll just go over it again. That looks weird. We're gonna fix that. Oh, I should have done the ears pink maybe. Oh yeah, that looks much cuter. I forgot all about the pink until I was almost done, so. Cute. Should I do a little blush? Oh, that's cute. And let me do this again. And if that's dry, I'll do a couple of those. Should outline the bird too, but okay, anyway, that's it. I just used a little extra on there at the end. So that was it, yeah. It was like a good box. I'll add these, I think, to my collection of the So Flat because they're very similar. They dry flat. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.